Does washing clothes in cold water save money on energy bills?
Hey there! Thanks for asking this important question. In this video, I will be discussing whether washing clothes in cold water can actually help you save money on your energy bills. Let's get started.
What is the typical energy usage of a washing machine?
To answer this question, it's important to understand the typical energy usage of a washing machine. On average, a washing machine uses about 400 to 1,300 watts of electricity per cycle. The exact amount of energy used can vary depending on factors such as the size of the machine, the temperature of the water, and the length of the wash cycle.
What are the benefits of washing clothes in cold water?
Now that we understand the energy usage of a washing machine, let's talk about the benefits of washing clothes in cold water. One of the main benefits is that washing in cold water uses significantly less energy than washing in hot water. In fact, up to 90% of the energy used by a washing machine is used to heat the water. Washing in cold water can also help your clothes last longer, as hot water can cause fabrics to shrink, fade, or become damaged.
How much can you save by washing clothes in cold water?
So, how much money can you actually save by washing clothes in cold water? Well, according to the Department of Energy, washing clothes in cold water can save you up to $60 per year on your energy bills. While this may not seem like a lot, it can certainly add up over time.
Are there any downsides to washing clothes in cold water?
While washing clothes in cold water can certainly help you save money on your energy bills, there are a few downsides to consider. For example, some stains and odors may not be effectively removed in cold water, and you may need to use more detergent or pre-treatment products to get your clothes clean. Additionally, washing in cold water may not be as effective at killing bacteria and germs, which is something to keep in mind if you have allergies or a weakened immune system. So, does washing clothes in cold water save money on energy bills? The answer is a resounding yes. By washing in cold water, you can significantly reduce your energy usage and save money on your monthly bills. However, it's important to keep in mind that there may be some downsides to washing in cold water, and it may not be suitable for all types of clothing or situations. Ultimately, it's up to you to weigh the pros and cons and decide what works best for you and your family. Thanks for watching.